iOS or Android, Apple or Google, which is the better platform for you? Which phone should you be using? This has been a forever battle. Let's put it to rest today. Now, I'm not going to waste your time in this video. I'll give you to the point facts, having used both platforms extensively over the past many years. I can tell you the pros and cons of both. I can tell you which is better for you as an individual. Now, let's start with the smartphones. I'll give it to you straight. Android is better. What I mean to say by that is that the most high-end Android phone is better than the most high-end iPhone. When it comes to functionality, customization, the ability to get things done, the flexibility of things is where Android allows you to do more. Think of it this way. What are the most important things that make a good smartphone? I think it's software, it's camera, it's the build quality and the screen. And when you look at a whole package of all of these things, the top end Android phone, let's say the S24 Ultra, is a better package than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And when you go cheaper in the phones, the iPhone 16 versus the S24, that's a better buy than the iPhone 16. Primarily for the iPhone 16 still has a 60Hz display. Once you've used a 120Hz display, you just can't go back to 60. And at that price point, at the price point of an iPhone 16, you get so many good Android phones with a better display. But there are a lot of strengths that iOS has, especially its video quality, especially the algorithm, the science, the computational photography, the processing of photos and videos is where the iPhone has a bit of an edge. So this is when it comes to smartphones. When it comes to platform, Android as a platform or Apple as a platform and its services. When I say the platform, I mean the ecosystem, and that is where Apple's strength is. I think Apple's ecosystem is the reason why the iPhone is successful. Apple is not making the best phones in the world, but it is making the best of everything else. The best laptop that's out there, if you want a good laptop, it's the MacBook Pro. If you want the best smartwatch, it's the Apple Watch. If you want the best tablet, it is the iPad. If you want the best wireless earphones, it is the AirPods Pro. The fact that the Apple Watch will just not work with an Android phone, transferring files between an Android phone and a MacBook Pro, is so difficult. You need so many workarounds. This thing that Apple does, where it makes itself incompatible with Android and Windows and other platforms, is the reason why its other products that aren't as good but still do well, which is, say, the iPhone. Now, Apple's ecosystem is just brilliant. It's these small things that you can do. You write something on your iPhone, you copy it and you paste it on your Mac. AirDrop is just absolutely brilliant. The ability to use your iPhone's camera as a webcam while you're on a Zoom call on a MacBook, those kind of little things, and all of it happening wirelessly. If you have Apple TV, streaming to the TV is just a breeze. It's the little things like this that makes Apple special. As a smartphone, a top-notch Android phone will be better. As a platform, Apple is a better platform. So for you, what does that mean for you as an individual? You need to understand which category do you fall in. If you use your laptop frequently, and if your laptop is a Windows laptop, you don't have a smartwatch, you don't have a tablet, buy an Android. However, if you like any other Apple products because the other products are top of the line, and if you own them or want to own them, and if you want the best of the ecosystem, if you want the best of all gadgets, go for Apple as a platform. The iPhone is great. You'll have a brilliant time using it. But if you're not that person, if all you need is a phone and nothing else, definitely go for Android. If you want the best of both worlds, buy two phones. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with my thoughts or if you have a different opinion. I'd love to interact and know your thoughts more.